you will get a different varieties in rice here. You will get a different varieties of rice here, like long grain, and this is the, I guess, long only. See, this is a brown rice. This is jasmine rice. Really? Okay. So the prices are like 200 rupees kg. The rices are 200 rupees kg. This is basmati rice. See, you will be having the basmati rice at 114. So that means 342 rupees kg. 342 rupees kg. So 300 rupees kg you can consider. That's okay. If you have to pay 100 or 200 rupees extra out of your country, that's a great thing, I guess, when you're getting this Indian rice. So let me think which one I should buy. So this one and this one is different or not? Probably I would go for the 1 kg bag. I don't seem to be available here. Oh yeah, one thing I forget to tell you. So the club card holders will get this 26 rupees discount. So there is no any like prerequisite or any criteria to get that card. You have to go to the counter and you have to just demand for this club card. So they will give it to you. You have to fill some information, like your number, your address, and those all your personal stuff, and you will get a club card. So before scanning all the items, you have to show it to the biller. He will scan your card and then he will start to scan all of the stuffs. So automatically the discount price will be available. So see a lot of difference, like 42 and 26. It's a huge difference. So let me think. So these are some macaroni, pasta, spaghetti. So just now I told you about the club card now. So this is a club card offer. Club card Sina. This is a club card. This is a barcode. Also that they will provide you the physical club card, but also you can log it in app, club card app, so that the barcode will be in your phone, and you can use it wherever you are going. Don't need to carry the card always. So these are the chips, wafers, these are some salads. You will get a lot of stuff here. Exactly, this is not an Indian market, but it is not less than Indian market. you will get almost everything. This is a pretty cheap, I guess. This is the sunflower oil, and this sunflower oil of 1 liter is at just 60 crores. So that means 190 rupees. You can roughly calculate. And I guess we pay the same amount in India as well for this sunflower oil. And if we would go for some reputed brand for the oil company in India, then we need to pay almost 210 or 220 rupees. So I think it's pretty cheap because you are paying same rate abroad. Here this is a sugar, and in sugar also you will get a lot of variety, like powder sugar, then crystal sugar. These are the fruit juices, and you would wonder, see the prices. If you would go for this orange juice, 100% orange juice of this company Tesco, it's 1 liter pack, I guess. So see the price, 25 crowns. That means like 26 crowns. So that means 80 rupees. Similar to this brand, we have in India Tropicana. So I guess we pay more than in India, I guess 125 or 115 something. So it's pretty less here. Similarly, you will get this apple juice. This is 22 crowns. That means 70 rupees almost. Oh. So here this is a banana juice is at only 20 crowns. That means 60 to 65 rupees. Pretty cheap as compared to the India. So I won't say this like Czech Republic you will get every Indian stuff or any stuff at a cheaper price, but the thing is, some things which we can't even expect that those things are available at a cheaper price, like these juices and all this kind of things. But proper Indian food, like if you would go for the rice, then it would cost you around 220 rupees per kg. In India we usually get it 45 rupees, 50 rupees, starting from the 45 rupees kg till 150. So that is somewhat we have to pay more there now. But so we are going to the cafe, Forky's Café. It's a pure vegetarian cafe. You will get only vegan food there. I'll show you the menus, also the type of food you get there. This is the Forky Cafe. We are going here now. Dobry den. I want to have one spicy burger.
Spicy burger, okay.
Yeah.
In the menu with the fries and dip, or already spicy?
With fries and dip.
And we'll dip for the fries, so my barbecue spicy or on ketchup.
That garlic one.
Garlic, okay.
Yeah.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yeah, Coke. I'll take.
The endless gasa.
Okay.
I think spicy.
Spicy
I
one.
like
Okay.
spicy sauce.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
Okay. So spicy burger with fries and barbecue drink.
Yeah, and dip is garlic.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's 244.
Okay.
Would you like to pay with the card or cash?
Yeah. Card. So this is the pager device. Once the order is ready, it will start processing. And they always provide a glass, so we can fill it as many times as we want. So I'll be going for cola, this one,